Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about equation of the line and particularly to parallel lines. So this math is intended for grade 8 and especially for the field size students. So number 1, write the equation of the line contains the point 4 and 2 and is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 5. So first thing to do, I need to graph in the Cartesian coordinates. This is only a simple graph. So I have here this one. This is my y-axis and this is x-axis. So I have point 4 and 2. So this will be located in first quadrant. So I need to calibrate 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this 1, 2. So my point is here. So this is point 1, which is 4 and 2. How about this equation, the line 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So I may make a tabulation x and y. So when x is 0, what is the value of y? So when x is 0, so I have here negative 5 plus 5 is equals to 0. So negative 5 transpose 5 to the right. This will be minus 5. Then I need to divide negative 1 both sides. So y is equals to positive 5. So this is positive 5. This is using by intercept. So if y is equal to 0, so 2x minus 0 plus 5 is equals to 0. So this will be 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Then 2x, 5 will transpose to the right. So this will be negative 5. Then divide 2 both sides. So x equals negative 5 over 2. So I have here negative 5 over 2. So I have now the points because a line is consist of the simplest 2 points. So I have 0 and 5. 3, 4, 5. So this will be lies on the y-axis. This is point 1, 0 and 5. Then my point 2 is at 0 and negative 5 over 2. By the way, 5 over 2, this will be equal to negative 2.5. So negative 2.5, so located at the second quadrant. 1, 2. This is 3, so between 2 and 3. So in here. So this is point 2. Point 2 is at negative 5 over 2 and then 0. And then I need to connect this one to make a line. Then this one also, since this is parallel, so the position is also parallel. Now the question is, what is the name of this line? So what's the equation of the line? This one is, the equation of this line is 2x minus y plus 5. Okay, so I need to find the slope from this line because this is parallel. So if this is parallel, for example, this is L1 and then this is L2. So if parallel, line 1 is parallel to line 2, meaning the slope of line 1 will be equal to the slope of line 2. So I need to find the slope from this equation. So 2x minus y plus 5. I will erase this one first. This will be 2x minus 5 plus 5. No, 2x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. So to solve the slope, I need to solve in terms of y. So this will be transpose to the right, negative x. Then transpose also to the right, this will be negative 5. And then I need to divide 1 both sides. So y is equals to 2x, and then this will be plus 5. Okay, so I have here y equals to x plus 5. By the way, this is slope intercept form. Okay, so I have here the slope. The slope for line 1, because this is line 1, right? And then this is line 2. So as what I said, if parallel, line 1 is parallel to line 2, meaning the slope of line 1 is equals to the slope of line 2. So the slope of line 1 is 2, because I have here m equals 2, and then my y-intercept for line 1 is 5. So my slope for line 1 is 2. And then since they are equal, so I will use the slope for line 1. So slope for the line 1. Okay, slope for the line 1 is equals to the slope of line 2, which is equal to 2. So point 1 is at 4 and 2, and then the slope is equal to 2. Then using this kind of formula, this is point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So using these coordinates, so I have here y minus 2, and then slope is 2 also. Then x is 4, x1 I mean 4. So I have y minus 2 is equals to, distribute this one, 2x, and then distribute, positive times negative will be negative, 2 times 4 is 8. Now I need the standard form of a line, so ax plus by is equals to c. So this one will be 2x, transpose to the right, this y will be negative y, and then this will be minus 8, remain because this is already on the right side, and then this negative 2 will transpose to the right, this will change to positive 2, and then equate to 0. So this will be 2x minus y, then this is minus 6 is equal to 0. Now to write the standard form of the line, so I have 2x minus y, and then this will be equal to 0, then move this negative 6 to the right, this will becomes positive. So 2x minus y is equals to 6. So this is now the name of the new equation, which is 2x minus y is equals to 6. So that's all.